Hi everyone, this is Pooja Gurwal. Today we are going to discuss how our ready-made taxi booking and multi-service application GoPack works, how you can book a complete taxi by using the GoPack application. So if you are looking for your own taxi application, then this is the video for you. And yeah, let's get started. So this is the GoPack app. Now click on taxi booking. Now you need to choose your pickup and your drop address. So now click on pick on map, and now it will automatically take your live location. You can also type a particular location like this. Right now we are entering Agra as the address, and yeah, that's how it will take the automatic location. So that's how the location taking is working in the GoPack application. And now you can see the map between your pickup and drop location, and now choose the vehicle type. In the GoPack application, you can choose any vehicle type that is available. Like this image, you can see here multiple vehicles are available. So now let's click on basic, and now choose the payment option you want to pay on the application. Just click on order now, and yeah, that's how a customer will place an inquiry to book a taxi in the GoPack application. Now the application is searching for a new driver. Let's see this booking in the driver app, and yeah, this is the driver app. You can see. Remember, to accept the booking, the driver must be online, and yeah, that is how the driver receive a new request for a new ride. He can swipe and he can accept the request. And now the driver has successfully accepted the request. The user will see this like this in the user app. The driver and the customer can have a chat like this. You can see the user and the driver are receiving proper notifications every time there is a new message going on in the application GoPack. So if you are looking for your own application like this, a complete taxi and multi-service application, then comment below, or you can also call or WhatsApp us on the number showing on the screen. You can also directly visit Raunix.com, so our consultant can directly connect with you and help you the best. The driver can also see the live location of pickup and the drop address easily by the application. Now the driver will click on arrived, and yeah, that's how the trip will start now in the GoPack application. You can see every time the map is getting refreshed. Now let's assume the driver is ready to start the service. So he will click on start trip, and the trip has been successfully started, and now you are on the trip. In the user app you can see, and now you are on the trip. You can easily track your live location. You can also see a complete live tracking map in your application easily by using the Google Map API. And now let's assume that you have reached to your destination. So now click on end trip, and yeah, that's how you complete a trip in the GoPack application. That's how you can book taxi, two-wheeler, auto, or any vehicle in the GoPack application. And now the customer will give a 5-star rating and his review to the driver like this, and the driver can also rate the trip. And yeah, that's how the taxi booking is working in the GoPack application. I hope you like this video. If you have any of the query, you can directly connect with your consultant by the number showing on the screen. You can also visit directly Raunix.com. The details are available in description and also on the screen, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.